Look at this arrangement. He are a doctor? While the meaning is clear, the grammar is broken. Watch what happens when we rearrange the blocks. Is he a doctor? The sentence is now structurally sound. That correction relies on 3 specific helping verbs: am, is, and are. These act as the glue that connects your subject to the rest of the sentence. Our goal today is to master these connections so you can write 5 perfect, complete sentences about your life by the end of this lesson. To start building, you need to be familiar with basic subject pronouns, specifically I, you, he, she, it, we, and they. Mastering these 3 pairings now ensures you can accurately describe people, feelings, and locations without having to pause and guess which verb to use. This is the blueprint for a positive sentence. We start with the subject, add the correct helping verb, am, is, or are, and finish with a complement to complete the thought. The rules for pairing are very specific. When the subject is I, you must use am. I am happy. I am a student. I am ready. For singular subjects, he, she, or it, the blueprint requires is. This rule also applies to singular names, like John or Mary. This gives us sentences like, he is a doctor, she is beautiful, it is raining, or John is my friend. Finally, use are for plural subjects, like we and they, as well as the pronoun you. You are smart. We are friends. They are playing. Even with objects, the rule holds. The books are on the table. Following these color-coded pairings removes the guesswork and prevents the most frequent errors in beginner English. You can change the entire meaning of these sentences without rebuilding them from scratch. We simply insert a single word into the existing structure. To make a sentence negative, place the word not immediately after the helping verb and before the complement. Look at the first person's transformation. I am tired becomes I am not tired. The same logic applies to the third person. He is busy opens up to become he is not busy. She is not angry. We are not late. The relationship between the subject and the verb stays the same. The addition of not simply modifies the statement. A common mistake is trying to ask a question by only raising the pitch of your voice at the end of a sentence. In English, you need a structural change. To ask a question, we move the verb from the middle to the absolute front. You are ready becomes are you ready? This mechanical flip works for singular subjects too. She is your sister becomes is she your sister? And for plural subjects, they are students transforms into are they students? When answering these questions, English uses a specific format for short replies. For are you a teacher? You can say yes I am or no I am not. For is he your brother? The answer is yes he is or no he isn't. This structural flip allows you to switch from declaring facts to gathering information from others. Before your final practice, let's identify and fix the structural errors that often cause confusion. This is a plural to singular mismatch. Because he is one person, we must replace are with is. He is happy. Here is a first-person error. Remember the exclusive rule. I always pairs with am. I am ready. Let's do a quick check. I am happy. She is a nurse. They are at school. We are friends. He is my teacher. Now it's your turn. Apply what you've learned by writing 5 sentences about your life using these starters. I am, he is, she is, we are, and they are. You now have the tools to identify people, describe how they feel, and ask questions using correct English grammar. Next, we will expand these skills by looking at demonstratives like this and that.